Alright, you good.
Alright, we gotta get this shit this time. Yo, I found a studio too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Feel the beat, yeah. Keys, y'all gonna feel this. Yeah. Seems like my 8-day revolve around a Dutch. Nigga spend my last dollar just to roll a blunt. Buy a couple bottles just so I can fill a cup. Filling up the models niggas ain't supposed to touch. But I could give a fuck or two, or really not, cause I already got a boo. And she be on me like some teeth that be on a chew. And it's the liquor that you bitches was talking to. So I pass on that ass. Making moves, nigga, get the rap for the grass. Uncle hit my number just a life and a half. He the type of nigga with the gat in the mask. Got you jumping like LeBron to keep the heat from your calf. Last time we kicked it, had to speak through the glass. Got me second guessing about the streets and the cash. Living fast on the Ave where they blast on the mag. Pay you back like a tab, now you all on your back. Got your head bleeding, now she crying for a dad. Trying to stop the bleeding, but it's sneaking through the rag. Already know he sleep, but she screaming for him back. Trying to call the cops, smudging blood on a jack. Took at least an hour for the pigs to attack.